Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. Please use masks and sanitizer when you will go out. Dear students, you have uh, uh, you have arranged some short syllabus for you to complete the session. Uh, According to your short syllabus, I have arranged the lesson, arranged the unit number three for lesson four uh, solving. Students, you have some selected unit to solve from this board book. I have solved this lesson for your helping. This lesson has included in your assignment. You have noticed that your all assignment are included from your textbook. Textbook has designed in a nice way to practice your English language. We will go lesson 4, unit 3, lesson 4, page number 34. Please open your book and observe this lesson. The lesson title is International Mother Language Day 2. There are some questions beginning the text. The question is, when did the International Mother Language Day celebration begin? The important part of this question is when the Mother Language Day celebration internationally begin. We all know that UNESCO declared 17 November 1998 as a state language, as an International Mother Language Day. After that, the first language celebration, the first language day celebration began in 2000. From 2000, we observe the day as International Mother Language Day. Before that, we celebrated it as our national event, but it's an international event. So the question's answer is it's began from 2000. It began in 2000. What does the abbreviation UNESCO stand for? UNESCO stands for United Nations in Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. Stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. What is the other name of 21st February? Nationally, we call it Shohid Divas. So, we all know the other name of 20 February is Shohid Divas. Students, before starting the text, I usually show you some vocabulary. Today is also for you. There are some vocabulary for you. Read this. First one is barefoot. It's an adjective. That's Bengali meaning is khali pa. That means without shoes on. Second one is commemoration. It's a noun. That means Sriti Ujjapun. Bengali meaning is Sriti Ujjapun. English meaning is doing something in remembrance of an important person or event. Diversity. It's also a noun that means boicitro. Variety. A range of different things. say it's a mistake. Range of different things. A range of different things. That means variety of things. Linguistics is an adjective. ভাষা বিজ্ঞান সম্বন্ধে of knowledge. এই সম্বন্ধে sorry, it's another mistake. It's of language. ভাষা বিজ্ঞান সম্বন্ধ. Multilingualism. It's a noun. Bengali meaning is বহু ভাষার ব্যবহার. Use of many languages. Proclaim. It's a verb. That means ঘোষণা করা. Bengali meaning is ঘোষণা করা. To publicity or officially tell people about something important. Promote. It's a verb. That means সংবর্ধিত করা. বাংলা meaning সংবর্ধিত করা. Advance somebody in rank. Recall. That it's a verb. That means মনে করা. Remember something. Recognition. It's a noun. That means স্বীকৃতি. Act of recognizing. Rightful. It's an adjective. That means আইনসম্মত. Having claim. Sacrifice. It's a noun. That means ত্যাগ স্বীকার করা. ত্যাগ স্বীকার, sorry. Bengali meaning is ত্যাগ স্বীকার. Something that you give up in this way. Wreath. It's a noun. That means ফুলের মালা. Circular around of flowers. Students, these are the vocabulary for you. Now we will read the text. 21st February is observed as Shahid Divas every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. People wear black badges and go to the Shahid Minar in barefoot processions. Singing morning songs, they place wreath at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs at Ajipur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, that abbreviation is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, on 17 November 1909 proclaimed February 21 as the International Mother Language Day, in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs of the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Students, this is the text for you. We have some question before beginning the text. These questions information has included in this passage. We know and we have discussed this matter before the lesson. This lesson about in the International Mother Language Day, how and when it has proclaimed, who proclaimed, how is it observed, how we should observe this day. It has clearly mentioned in this passage. Now we will go to section C. There is a missing words or phrase in a table. We have to solve this section C because now we have to do some assignments, and assignment is included from our textbook. Many sessions of the textbook has included in the assignment. So we have to solve every section of our textbook. Section C, missing. First one is read. That means we know fuler mala. Second one is in parents. In remembrance of. That means Sharone. Third one is proclaim. That means ঘোষণা করা. Fourth one is diversity. Promote. উন্নীত করা. Sixth one is diversity. That means বৈচিত্র্য. Multilingualism means বহু ভাষাবাদ. Recognition of. স্বীকৃতিতে. We have to match these words with their meanings. First one is read. We all know that read means fuller mala. First, the nearby meaning of this word: an arrangement of flowers in the shape of a circle. Flowers in the shape of a circle. In remembrance of means Sharone. The nearly meaning of this word is in memory of, which is in our memory. We can remember it. So the closing meaning of the remembrance of is memory of. That next one is proclaim. We know it's a verb. We should find the word from the What verb? That means declare. The closest meaning of the sentence of this word is declares, because declare means also to say something in publicly. Promote, that Bengali meanings is unnati kora. It's closely meaning encourage. Its Bengali meaning is utsaha dewa. If we encourage someone or somebody, our intention has to promote him. So the closest meaning of this word is encourage. Diversity. That's Bengali meaning is boichitro. We know boichitro means variety of something. So the closest meaning should be variety. Multilingualism, Bahubhasha Bad. If we use several languages, then we can call it multilingualism. Bahubhasha Bad. Practice of using several languages. Practice of using several languages. Then recognition. Shikkitite. Last one has mentioned in appreciation. Appreciation. Students, we have solved the section C. Now we have to go section D. Here are some questions. We have to solve this question. We have to write the answer in these questions. The first question is, why is 20 on February called Shahid Divas? Second one is, why do people go to the Shahid Minar? How do they go there? How do they go there? Third one is, why 20 on February now observed? Sorry, why is 20 on February now observed? Throughout the world every year. We have three questions. First question is, Why is 21st February called Shahid Divas? We know many language martyrs sacrificed their lives for Bengali language. So we can call it Shahid Divas. The answer should be 21st February is called Shahid Divas because some heroism of our country sacrificed their lives for language and let's see, accept martyrdom. Martyrdoms. Why do people go to the Shahid Minar? Why do people? The question is in present tense. So, we have to answer this question in present tense. People go to Shahid Minar. Why? The answer should be people. People is subject. Then verb. People go to the Shahid Minar to show respect the language martyrs. Now the question is, how do they go there? They go there barefooted. They go there in barefoot possessions. Singing, singing morning songs. Why is 21 February now observed throughout the world every year? We can also add something. They offer read 21 February now observed throughout the world every year. We can add the answer from here. The 21 February is now observed throughout the world every year. Why? We know the reason because UNESCO has proclaimed. Because UNESCO has proclaimed it as an international mother language day. So the question how is the 1st February called? How is 21st February called Shahid Divas? The answer is the 21st February is called Shahid Divas because some heroic son of our country sacrificed their lives for language and achieved martyrdom. Why do people go to the Shahid Minar? How do they go there? People go to the Shahid Minar to show respect the language martyrs. They go there in barefoot procession singing morning songs. They offer a meal at the Minar. Why is 21st February now observed throughout the world every year? The 21st February is now observed throughout the world every year because UNESCO has proclaimed it as an International Mother Language Day. Students, these are the work of section D. Now we will go section E. Here is the passage. We have to fill in the gaps according to the passage. So now we will go in section E. Every section is important for you for your language practice. Section E. Complete the passage with suitable words. The passage in on February 1952, dash was shed at a place between Dhaka Medical College, and Dhaka University. To establish Bangla as a Pakistan was subsequent movements that struggles for independence had their origin in the historic language Shahid Minar is the dash of the supreme sacrifice dash the mother on 20 February on February 1952 dash or shed. What a shed at the place. What are shed at the place? We know the blood of the martyrs are shed take place between Dhaka Medical College and Dhaka University. Dhaka Medical College and Dhaka University. Uh, it's a noun. So on 20 February 1952, dash says we know blood or shed in at a place between Dhaka Medical College and Dhaka University. We need here location. That means area to establish Bangla as a state dash of Pakistan. Rashtra Bhasha. That means language. The structure is adjective, noun of Pakistan. All subsequent movements dash struggles for independence. All subsequent movement dash struggles for independence. Movement means Andolan. Struggle for independence. Movements, and this is a movement and this is also movements. That means including all subsequent movement from this struggle for independence. It is included in all subsequent movements. So including struggles for independence. Independence movements. All successful movements, including struggle for independence movement, had their origin in the heroic language. Oh, sorry. Language movement. Shahid Minar is the symbol of the supreme sacrifice for the mother tongue. Sorry, there was no gap. Students, this was the work for your section E. Now it's time for homework. You have to write briefly how you observe this year's 20 on February at your school. This was the steps of your section of your lesson 4. We have solved this lesson very successfully. This session is now dismissed. Thank you all.